It's time for a sustainable puppy pad with no leaks, no odors, and no waste. The one-of-a-kind puppy pad that's good for your pet and for the planet. Onola. Disposable, poor-quality puppy pads are thrown out every day and are prone to leaks. But Onola has excellent absorption and waterproofing to solve all of the problems of conventional puppy pads. With a patented 3-layer next-gen material structure, Onola absorbs liquid fast and is capable of holding up to 2 liters of liquid at once. Onola uses waterproof TPU around the edges to prevent even large quantities of liquid from leaking. If your dog does its business on the corners, Onola's got you covered. Plus, your dog will love how soft and porous the mesh pad feels on its paws. With enhanced durability and slip-proof coating, Onola is accident-proof for your dog's safety. Every year, over 40 million disposable puppy pads are thrown out worldwide. But with just one quick rinse in the sink or shower, Onola is completely reusable. Just rinse and leave Onola to dry. It's quick and easy. By switching to Onola's reusable design, you can save yourself and the planet thousands of disposable puppy pads. Choose the pad that's right for your pet. For a better life for your pet and a better future for all of us. Onola, the washable puppy pad. Available now on Kickstarter.